this a steep hill?
That's steep.
We're gonna have to walk up this hill.
I think they go.
I have a love-hate affairs with stairs. 90 steps down. Ugh. Pray for me. Woo. Oh, doggy. I've gone to the other waterfall. He said it was busy. This one is not impressive. Very mossy and wetty. Okay, this isn't the other one that most people go to. This is a smaller one. Hi, fishy. Love the banyan tree. Big bamboo, big bamboo, big bamboo, big bamboo. Oh. Oh, I see. Lots of butterflies. Oh, I love this root system.
Go very quick, huh?
Yes, it's very fibrous. It would be nice to just yeah, it's a land of waterfalls. I wish I had a river. I would like to live somewhere very close to a river or have a river on my property. Ugh, so iridescent. Ugh. of constators. They're so hard to see though. A little banana growing from the sucker. Dragonflies or damselflies are so pretty. I'm at the Detrack stairs. Yeah, then I was. Ooh. I wonder. Maybe it's like a mold or something. Like a fungi. Or maybe it's iron out of the rock. The top.